Hello and welcome to a Payments Evolution tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canada's very first Offboarding Assistant. This is a unique tool that calculates your termination pay obligations. If you need to terminate an employee, just provide the assistant with the facts. It will determine what's relevant, and then calculate the requirements based on your province's laws. It's never been easier to stay compliant. So let's see how it works. To get started, open the left-hand menu and click Employees. From your employee list, locate the employee you need to offboard, click the ellipses button here, and select Start Offboarding. Now, click the Begin Offboarding button. Next, select your date and reason for termination. This step is critical. Depending on your choice, we may or may not recommend you run the Offboarding Assistant. For instance, if I select Quit, there's no message. But if I select Shortage of Work, you'll see our recommendation here. Now, we always err on the side of caution. If there's a chance you'll need to calculate termination pay, we recommend you use it. So, I'm going to click Next. Here, you'll see another reminder with a blurb about why we're recommending the assistant. I want to stay compliant, so I'm going to click Run Offboarding Assistant. Now, fill in the employee's original hire date and the termination date here. You only have to fill in these dates if they differ from the dates we display on your screen. Click Continue, and then add the date you gave termination notice to this employee. You may also have to answer a question about your total payroll. If you receive a slightly different set of questions, don't worry. These will depend on your employee's province. Click Continue again, and we'll calculate your termination pay obligations. Please note, the first time you use the assistant, you'll see a disclaimer. You won't see this every time, only when we communicate any product or pricing changes. You'll also receive a copy via email so you can review it later. So, behind the scenes, the tool has taken your info and run a calculation based on the employment standards legislation in this employee's province. It's doing the legwork so you don't have to. Let's look at the results. This figure is the amount you owe the employee based on your provided dates and provincial law. This table here provides a brief breakdown of your total. For more detailed breakdown, click the ellipses here and select Download PDF. This document takes you step by step through the tool's process and outlines any assumptions or disclaimers. You can see exactly how it arrived at its calculation. Now, if you have any questions or concerns about the total you received or the tool's process, you have the option to purchase a consultation with a human experience professional. Please note that using the Offboarding Assistant does not trigger any changes to your employee's pay. This is purely a guide to help you stay compliant. If you want to follow the tool's recommendation, click Next Steps to learn more about paying out termination pay. And that's how to use your new Offboarding Assistant. Now you can stay compliant when offboarding an employee. It's that easy.